Hello everybody, I am here today to do a review of the book Too Late by Colleen Hoover. Too Late by Colleen Hoover is a dark, intense and emotionally gripping romantic thriller that deviates from an usual contemporary romance style. The novel follows Sloane, a college student trapped in an abusive relationship with Osa, a dangerous drug dealer. Sloane stays with Osa out of desperation as he provides for her sick brother. When Sloane meets Carter, an underground cop assigned to bring Osa down, she finds herself caught in a dangerous love triangle. Too Late is a fast-paced, suspenseful read that explores toxic relationship, power dynamics, and survival. I will highly recommend you to start reading this book. I hope you will enjoy this book as much as I did. Too Late by Colleen Hoover.